This is Kat. I'm going to show you how to program in Java using the old school way, Bluej, the Java execution. Do keep in mind that I'm just a student also, so I'm just sharing what I've learned in the lectures room. So first thing is first, you have to open up a Bluej. I'll give you a tutorial on how to install Bluej and its JDKs. So the first thing is, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to print lines using different types of format and using multi-line printers. So first thing is first, you have to create a project. You name it whatever you feel like it. So now my project, I'll call it hello. There you go. Then it's gonna pop up a weird space, which you're going to be shocked that it pop up, but then it's gonna pop up a weird space which has which is a space virtual machine. This is where you can create your classes, where you can run those classes and combine them with other classes and so forth and so forth. So in this case, you're going to create a new class, and let's call it print, because that's what you can do. So print. Okay, there you go. You open up your print class. You can see that there's a lot of things in there, so you're going to erase that. So you're going to code it from scratch. You know what I mean? So first thing is first, when you need to print, you have to have a scanner inside. Util class package.scanner. There you go. Now I've imported my scanner so that it can help me with the printing part. Then introduce a method, public static void main, then string ars. This method is going to help us print, or how should I put it? This method is going to help us to communicate with the terminal. I'll show you as I go on and explaining. So first thing is first, you need to know how to print lines in Java. So you have to write this pseudocode system.out.print. There's usually both statements. There's print and there's print line. I'll show you what's the difference. So let's print hello for the first time. Hopefully, then you have to have a semicolon. This is our pseudocode. Is a code that we understand. The virtual machine does not understand this code, so we have to add a colon at the end and compile it. While compiling, it converts this pseudocode, which is the language that we understand, into a machine languages, which is binary, hexadecimal, and so forth, so that we can communicate with the machine and tell it what we need it to do. So as we compile, it says class has no syntax error. Then you close the class, you open this. This is what our main method was made for, so that we can display the terminal. You said okay. There you go, it displays the terminal and it printed our line. Yeah, there you go. It says hello. Then let's say we want to print something else. And then I told you there are like many methods of printing, so let me show you the next one. The next one is not different. It just says print line. The difference between printing and print line is that the print, it prints everything in the same line. That print line, it prints the first line and then goes to the next other line, and then it prints the other line and goes to the other line, and then it prints and so forth and so forth. It's like printing multiple lines. So let me show you. Compile says no syntax error. You run that and it says okay. Then you see hello. That's because of the method print. So let me clear that up and show you the print line. You see, it says printed hello. Then let's print something else. System.out.print line. Let's print something else. Let's say guys and girls. Guys and girls. Then it says no syntax error. Remember, after each line, you always have to compile to communicate with the machine. You say it says print, and it goes to the next line, says hello, then it goes to the next line, says guys and girls. So that's the difference between print and print line. So next, I'm going to show you how to format your string. It says system.out.print line in this case. I want to show you how to format your machines. You want to print as many lines as you can, only using one single line of code. So this is what you're going to do. It's just going to print, say hello, and then I say plus, and then I add a operation escape, which is a \n, then I say plus, then I say guys and girls, you see, and then I say plus again using an escape route, which mainly is used. Then I say another plus, and then I say welcome, hello guys and girls, and I say welcome to my tutorial. You see, then I ended up with the exclamation mark just to make it fancy. Then you see this is a one-line procedure code, but you see as it displays, it's going to display multiple lines as it goes on and goes on. First thing you have to do is compile, and it says no syntax error, then you close it, then you run it, and then okay. So you see it says hello guys and girls, and then repeat the same line, says hello guys and girls, and say welcome to my tutorial. So using the \n, it shows you you have to print whatever text that you want to print it to the next line. So let me explain it even much more simple. You see, this is the first hello, this is our first text. Instead of displaying it on a single line, I say go to the next line and display guys and girls, and I say go to the next line and display welcome to my tutorial. So that's how you use a format line. That's all for now, and that's all for this tutorial. I'll show you on the next tutorial how to use variables, data types, and print those data types. Thank you.